In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Brevo to send emails. To get started, open your web browser, head over to the Brevo website, and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure your sender email is verified. This is important because Brevo needs to confirm that you're allowed to send from that address. Go to Settings or Senders and IP, add your sender email, and then verify it through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. If you're sending from a custom domain, it's also a good idea to authenticate that domain to help improve deliverability. Next, bring in the people you want to email. From the dashboard, click Contacts and choose Import Contacts. You can upload a CSV or Excel file or add contacts manually if you prefer. As you do this, it helps to organize your contacts into lists or segments so your future campaigns are easier to target and manage. Once your contacts are ready, go to Campaigns and select Create an Email Campaign. You'll enter an internal campaign name, then add your sender name and your verified sender email. After that, write your subject line and, if you want, add preview text. This is the first impression your audience will see, so make it clear and relevant. Now it's time to choose your email template. You can start with a pre-designed template, build one using the drag and drop editor, begin from a blank layout, or reuse a saved template. Pick the option that best matches your goal and comfort level. From there, design your email by adding the key elements you need, such as your company logo, headlines, body text, images, buttons, dividers, social media icons, and a footer with your contact information and unsubscribe link. After the layout looks good, personalize the message using recipient details like first name, last name, company name, or other custom contact attributes. Personalization can make your emails feel more relevant and often helps increase engagement. When your email is ready, choose the list or audience segment you want to send it to, and exclude any lists if needed. Before sending anything live, send a test email to yourself, check the formatting, make sure links and buttons work, confirm images display properly, and review the message on both desktop and mobile. If everything looks right, either send the email immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. Before confirming, review all campaign details carefully. After the email goes out, open the campaign analytics to monitor delivery rate, open rate, click-through rate, bounce rate, unsubscribe rate, and link performance. Use those results to improve future campaigns by testing different subject lines, refining your segments, improving your content and calls to action, and sending at times when your audience is most active.